Tire kick check.
Tire kick check. I wake up just as early. I just procrastinate.
Joseph,
more.
you ready for a great day?
I am. I get one more day on the windstorm.
He's crying inside.
No,
Dying
outside.
All right, we're geared up, ready to go.
Use the men's room before we go.
Max, ready for a great day?
Something like that. Don't lose me because I don't know where we're going.
Okay. I can always give you the address. What you got, Harv?
Skittles.
Skittles for breakfast.
Yep.
It's usually Pop-Tarts and Mountain Dew.
No more Mountain Dew. I don't have any.
All right, we're getting in it. Come with us. Do you hear the church bells? It's kind of neat. That kind of makes me miss living in East Andover. We could always hear them. But here we are at the new contract at Floral Park Cemetery. Looks like the grass is starting to grow, so that's cool. Cleanup in the fall is probably just going to be like bagging while we mow for most of it, except for on the perimeter where there's some sticks and leaves. We have this big open area, but then the rest is 18 acres of stones and like 5 sections. I mostly want to come down here and see Harvey's first opinion of this place. It's the first time Harvey has seen it.
I'm wicked excited. It seems like it's gonna be super wicked easy, and like we're gonna be here for 3 hours each day.
And that's it. Or 3 hours every single day the rest of our lives. What's Max thinking? He's like Christian.
Just one thumbs up.
It gets a hey, it's not a thumbs down. That's good. That's how we're gonna judge everything with Max. Thumbs down or 1 or 2 thumbs up.
Efficient.
Yeah, simple, efficient. Harvey, I like that idea. We should do that with you. Then you can talk less. 2 thumbs down.
It's not that bad.
No, and I already claimed mowing this section right here.
You see how bumpy and off camber that thing? Do we have to weed back the big hill over there?
But the one thing is, this is a huge like walking place. A lot of people use this to come and walk. So you can't, I know in Andover it's pretty quiet, but in here you do have to be kind of mindful that there'll probably be people in and throughout here.
People come to the cemetery to walk?
Oh, every time we've been here, I've seen a handful of people, like, you know, walking their dog or just, I don't know, on their lunch break at a business nearby walking. I have no idea. I know. The one thing I'm thinking, I don't know this town at all. I don't know where there's
I don't think
food,
there's much
drinks,
to this town.
bathroom, like, we're in...
Bathroom.
What, the trailer?
Oh, the tree is over there.
For me?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, gross. I'm welcomed with like a dead, rotting mouse, I think. Ew.
Poulin Park Open Center.
Yeah.
Like there's a spot for a leaf dump over in there.
Oh, I can text that map to all of us.
Harvey and I have it.
Okay.
Do anybody know what this goes to? Yeah.
up and down, and Joe said he doesn't know if you guys will have to like work with me like to get some of it. And then he said I can either drive over to the tree line and just take this off and tip it up, and he can go with the Scag after and like blow all the piles so we don't have to keep lifting it up in the truck. But then that just means more driving time, but we can do a little bit of both. Or you doing okay? I started picking a bunch up down there. I was trying to help. This, I think, is the worst part. We'll focus on this, and we'll just, honestly, as long as we get down the roads and Joe's doing whatever on the tree line, that's like what I'm really looking for today, you know?
Probably for now. That sounds like fun.
Okay.
I'll just keep running up. I mean, I can go up this way too and grab the bigger shit that's in front of me.
Yeah. Don't feel like you have to jump in and out every single time though.
It's not that bad, gets the legs moving around.
All right, we're wrapping up. Harvey's helping me because I've done this too many times and it's too heavy. Actually, it's all mulch stuff Joe's doing, so it's very heavy. But I just want to take a second to show you. This is a new contract we have this year. And I'm noticing so many white, nice, clean stones. And when I talked to the town administrator, she had told me that she has, you know, we might see a very nice lady in here who, I believe she said she donates all her time. And throughout the summer, she just comes in here and cleans stones. And I was like, oh, I wonder, compared to the other cemetery we do, like if I would notice. And oh my gosh, there are so many pristine, beautiful white stones, all cleaned off. And I just thought, you know, give credit where credit is due. Whoever the individual is who comes in and puts all that work in. And oh, I'm trying to pick up sticks too, I'm sorry. Whoever comes and puts all that work in at the Pittsfield, New Hampshire cemeteries, kudos to you, because it's beautiful and you do a beautiful job. I think I have like one more bagger load and then I think we're gonna call it a day. We just wanted to get the bulk along this fence line. I don't know how much of a fall cleanup.
Access hopping fences.
It was like a lot of leaves, and
Spider monkey.
we kind of underestimated. We were gonna bring the leaf loader and we thought it was like one section.
We still haven't put the leaf loader in.
We still haven't put the leaf loader in, and it was the entire fence line on both sides. We looked at this and there was still some snow on the ground, so.
It's like one other job we did.
You love those jobs, don't you? When we get there and we're like, oh, it's not that bad, and we're like, oh my lord, maybe we should have taken another look. But all right, I'm gonna go.
I'm talking on the camera with her so I don't have to go walk with the backpack load on my back.
Well, let me take the bagger and I'll let you do that. I gotta wipe off my glasses first. It's so dusty. I think I'm like,
you should have just not been born blind. You want to have this problem?
Max, high five, buddy. You're doing a great job. That gentleman on the other side, I think, was understanding and pleased to see that we were really cleaning it up. So, all right, one last round, see how Joe's feeling, and I think we might be out of here. All right, we are calling it quits. Joe, there's supposed to be a dumping spot here. So Joe's scoping it out. I don't know if they mean like for a few branches or if they mean like truckloads. So I can hear Joe over there. We're just, ooh, I can help Max. You can throw those at me if you want. Oh gosh. Got him. What's you blowing off, Harvey?
Nothing.
What?
What do you mean? What do I blow off?
Oh, are you just putting it back together?
Yeah. So that it can hang in here how it's supposed to.
Got it.
Oh, there's 2 more ricks?
Yeah.
Alright.
As they usually these are. Ooh, my phone's ringing.
It's Joseph, maybe. I read your watch.
Hello, Joseph.
Yeah, Harvey can dump it up here.
Okay, he can come over to you.
There's like piles and stuff, and it looks like they might have pushed it out last year or something.
Okay. There you go, Harvey. Either Harvey's lost or he already dumped it. Oh gosh, what's wrong?
Lost.
You're what?
I'm lost.
Well, I assume if you go by the trees, you can't go too far without hitting a tree. There's a road. Did you go down this?
Yeah. It just loops around. I think I'm just gonna go the long way because that's how I know how to.
Call Joe.
He just drove through the grass.
Bye. Good luck, buddy. All right, I'm gonna grab these cones and we're gonna load up and go home. The last exit.
Turn right, then take the first left onto High Street.
All right, I think we know how to get out of here, but I have directions on just in case, and I wanted to show you
I think I've came 3 different ways.
the finished product. I'll let you guys ride with us on the way out of the cemetery. Yeah, they're bad.
Turn right, then take the first left onto High Street.
Big old bump.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out with us at all our different accounts. You have anything to say, Joseph, David, before I wrap this show up?
I don't want to bring the windstorm back.
This is going to be difficult.
And I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too. But we're going to go home, get some showers. I have basketball practice tonight with Bentley, and Joe has to bring the windstorm back. Are you crying yet?
Don't want to talk about it.
Don't want to talk about it. Alright guys, thanks for being here. Thanks for being so loyal and watching and keep coming back and watching our shenanigans. We appreciate it. I know the crew has fun with it and they appreciate it. And we'll be back for some more. So we hope you're here and you stick around. And we'll see you next time, YouTube. Peace out.